All right, from Kingsland, Georgia, and under the direction of Allan Smith and Sonia Williams, here is the 105-member Camden County High School Band. The band rehearsed 6 hours a week and preparing for the parade and their halftime responsibilities at their school.
Many of the band members are involved in other school activities ranging from the theater department to the engineering academy.
Hello and happy Thanksgiving. I'm Evan Trader.
And I'm Samantha Gowen.
And we are the drum majors for the Camden County High School Marching Wildcats.
We are honored to be marching through the streets of Philadelphia today.
Thank you for watching, and we hope you have a great holiday.
Gotta love a marching band. Little break, we'll be right back. Thanksgiving Day Parade. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody.